And Captain Amarinder Singh has now resigned from the Congress party. He had rejoined the Congress party in 1997. He has now written a 7-page letter to Sonia Gandhi, the interim president of the Congress party. And in typically emotional and angry terms, he has lashed out at Navjot Singh Sidhu, at Sonia Gandhi herself, and at Rahul and Priyanka, not to speak of the many other underlings of the Congress party like Harish Rawat, Randeep Singh Surjewala and others. He's called his political party the Punjab Lok Congress. Captain Amarinder Singh has christened his party the Punjab Lok Congress, and he has also pointed an angry finger explicitly at Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. Punjab Lok Congress, you're hearing it first here on India Today, is the name of the new party floated by Amarinder Singh. Manjeet Sehgal breaking the story first as always here on India Today. With me live, Punjab Lok Congress, as we had expected and reported earlier too, is the name of the new political formation floated by Amarinder Singh. Manjeet, give us the details.
Yes, Shiv, Captain Amarinder Singh has now revealed the name of his party. That will be Punjab Lok Congress. Captain also says that he had suggested 3 symbols. 3 were suggested by the Election Commission of India itself. So there are symbols, out of which 1 symbol will be chosen by the Election Commission of India and is formally waiting the approval from the Election Commission of India. And then the constitution of this party and other formalities will be completed. So Captain Amarinder Singh has now made it public that the name of his party will be Punjab Lok Congress. And in Shiv, in a resignation letter sent to Sonia Gandhi, Captain Amarinder Singh has attacked Gandhi siblings Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, accused them of patronizing Navjot Singh Sidhu. He also directly attacks Navjot Singh Sidhu that Navjot Singh Sidhu has been using vile and disrespectful language against him, despite the fact that he was of his father's age, but he never respected him. Captain also says that Sonia Gandhi must be regretting her decision to appoint Navjot Singh Sidhu as Punjab Congress chief. So Captain Amarinder Singh has now made it public and will be launching his party soon after he gets this symbol and nod from the Election Commission of India. Shiv.
You know, I just want to read out some of the most, the most hard-hitting lines from this letter that you've accessed, Manjeet, where he says, the most egregious act was the midnight conspiracy carried out against me at your and your children's behest by calling a Congress legislature party meeting over my head in the dead of night. This is an incredibly sensitive letter, Manjeet. I don't think we have read a letter of this level and with this much anger and accusatory tone in the recent past in our politics. Amarinder Singh clearly has nothing left to lose. He's on mission to destroy the Congress now.
Yes, indeed, Chief Captain Amarinder Singh has been telling every interviewer that he was humiliated like this without giving any information to him. The all-party meeting and other meetings were called. He felt humiliated. He has spent 52 years in the politics but never faced a humiliation like this that was done at the behest of Navjot Singh Sidhu, who, according to Captain Amarinder Singh's pro-Pakistan, he hugged the Pakistan Army chief, and he also mentions that 80 soldiers who belong to Punjab were martyred during his regime as the chief minister. So he is now continuously attacking Navjot Singh Sidhu, who, according to him, has been using vile and disrespectful language publicly and privately as well.
Yeah.
So Captain Amarinder Singh has now made it clear his plans, his name of his party, and he will soon be launching his party, as he has been telling in all the interviews that he was he has talking with the Bharatiya Janata Party on seat sharing and other issues. So Captain Amarinder Singh's party's name has now been made public, Punjab Lok Congress.
Yeah.
Captain and his supporters are now formally waiting the nod from the Election Commission of India. Captain had also claimed that many Congress leaders were in touch with him, but they were not coming publicly to support him, as the party has yet to be announced. As now, Captain Amarinder Singh has announced the name of his party. What remains to be seen, how many of the sitting MLAs, MPs are seen with him. This will be interesting to note, Shiv.
With me, very quick break. Big story breaking here on India Today. We're coming right back to this after this break. Punjab Lok Congress, you've heard it first here on India Today, is the new party floated by Amarinder Singh. Full details when you come back.